Hi and good morning. Ryan here from KCOM Academy Marketing Team. Today I want to tell you about Brunei programs in June 2025. So on June the 2nd and the 3rd, we'll be conducting Excel Advanced Training. It is a training on data analysis and interactive dashboards for business insights led by our expert trainer, Suhaila. Now, an overview about the program is that it focuses on advanced Excel techniques for data analysis, creating interactive dashboards, and also it will help participants to learn how to manipulate large data sets, design visually compelling dashboards that provide meaningful business insights for decision making. The second program is also by Suhaila on the following days, June the 4th and the 5th, which is Power BI for analyzing and visualizing big data. So the program is going to help participants to master Power BI, a leading data visualization and also business intelligence tool. This program focuses on using Power BI to analyze and visualize data, and also turning raw information into actionable insights that drive smarter business decisions. And then on June the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th, a 3-day program by our master trainer, Davidson, a certification in competency-based interviewing, CBI. Now, CBI certification program equips participants with the skills needed to conduct competency-based interviews. Now, this method ensures that the hiring decisions are based on specific competency required for the job, and it helps improve the recruitment accuracy and success rate. So if you are a HR manager, or if you are a manager of any type that sits in for interviews, this training and certification is definitely for you. The next program is Performance Management Essentials on June the 16th and the 17th, also by Davidson. This program focuses on developing performance management skills. Participants will learn how to set clear performance goals, deliver feedback effectively, and also to implement strategies to optimize team performance and also to align with organization objectives. The last program for June 2025 is AI. AI is the trending topic of the year. So using AI to manage projects, June the 23rd and the 24th by Ravindran. This program explores the integration of artificial intelligence into project management processes. And in this program, the participants will learn how AI can be leveraged to automate workflows, to enhance decision-making, and to streamline project management tasks for greater efficiency and success. So if any of these programs interest you, click on the button below to register your interest. Reach out to us on WhatsApp from the button below or the link, and we will look forward to seeing you in June. Thank you. This was Ryan from KCOM Academy. Have a good day.